With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here our question is a gas mixture of 4 liter of ethylene and methane on complete combustion at 25 degrees Celsius produce 6 liter of CO2. Find out the amount of heat evolved on burning 1 liter of a gas mixture. The heat of combustion of ethylene and methane are minus 1464 and minus 976 kilojoule per mole at 25 degrees Celsius. This information is given and we need to find out the total amount of heat evolved. So first of all, see here, consider A as a volume of ethylene. Ethylene is C2H4, okay, and consider B as a volume of methane, that is CH4, okay. So in the question we are provided the mixture A plus B is total 4 liter, okay. Now see what will happen when this C2H4 ethylene burn in air. It forms carbon dioxide and water, okay. Now balance the reaction. So it will be 3O2, 2CO2 and 2H2O, okay. And when methane burns using the O2, it will also form carbon dioxide and water, but here one molecule of carbon dioxide is forming and two molecules of water are forming, okay. So here from here you can write that volume of CO2 produced, volume of CO2 produced by a liter of C2H4 is equals to what? 2A, because here what? 1 mole of C2H4 forming 2 moles of CO2. So a liter of C2H4 will form 2A liter of CO2, okay. And here from volume of CO2 produced by B liter of CH4 will be equals to B, because here 1 mole of CH4 producing 1 mole of CO2. Therefore a liter of CO2 will produce what? 1 liter, B liter of CH4 will produce B liter of CO2. So from here total amount of, that is 2A plus B, is equals to 6, because here in the question we are provided the mixture are producing total 6 liter of CO2, okay. So from here you will get, this is your equation 2 and this was your equation 1, okay. So by subtracting equation 1 and 2, by subtracting equation 1 and 2, you will get A plus B minus 2A minus B is equals to 4 minus 6, okay. I am just subtracting equation 1 and 2. So you will get A is equals to 2 liter and B will be equals to 2 liter, okay. So from here the volume of C2H4 in 4 liter, in 4 liter mixture is 2 liter, and the volume of CH4 in 4 liter mixture is also what? Is also 2 liter. But here we are using just 1 liter of the mixture. We need to find out the heat evolved when only 1 liter of the mixture is used, okay. So for calculating that, we will first find out the volume of both the components in 1 liter of mixture. So from here, see, volume of C2H4 in 1 liter of mixture at 25 degrees Celsius, that is 298 Kelvin. 25 degrees Celsius, when you convert that Celsius into Kelvin by adding 273, it will be 298 Kelvin, okay. So it will be equals to 2 by 4 into 1, that is 0.5 liter, okay. And volume of CH4 in 1 liter of mixture, I am just applying here unitary method. At 298 Kelvin, it will be also equals to 2 by 4 into 1 is equals to 0.5 liter. If you're not getting it how I solved it, so in the side I can solve. See here, 4 liter contains how much, 4 liter mixture contain how much amount of 2 liter amount of C2H4. So 1 liter will contain how much amount? 2 by 4 into 1 liter of C2H4. Okay, this is your unitary method simply. So I am applying here what? Simply unitary method. Okay. Now see, now moles, convert them into moles. Okay, volume of 1 mole of C2H4 at 273 Kelvin is equals to what? Is equals to 22.4 liter. We have by mole concept we know that volume of 1 mole of any compound at 273 Kelvin is equals to 22.4 liter. But here our temperature is not 273 Kelvin, our temperature is 298 Kelvin. So volume of 1 mole of C2H4 at 298 Kelvin, it will be equals to 22.4 divided by 273 into 298, and then when you solve this you will get 24.45 liter. Okay, so here we will use this volume, okay, to calculate out the number of moles. Okay, so here see the equations. Here the value of amount of combustion, heat of combustion for the ethylene is given minus 1464 kilojoule per mole, right? And heat of combustion for the methane given is minus 976 kilojoule per mole, right? These are the values given. So see here, 24.45 liter of ethylene, that is C2H4, produces heat will be equals to 1464 kilojoule per mole, right? It is given in the question. But here how many in the mixture, in the 1 liter of mixture, how many amount of C2H4 is present? 0.5 liter. So 0.5 liter will produce minus 1464 divided by 24.45 into 0.5 kilojoule per mole amount of heat. That will be equals to minus 30 kilojoule per mole. Okay. Now similarly apply the same formula for the CH4. Here 24.4 liter of CH4, that is methane, produces minus 976 kilojoule per mole of heat. Okay, so 0.5 liter of CH4 will produce minus 976 divided by 24.4 into 0.5 kilojoule per mole of heat. Okay, that will be equals to minus 20 kilojoule per mole. But now we need to calculate the total heat evolved. So total heat evolved by 1 liter of the mixture will be minus 30 plus minus 20, just simply add. So minus 30 minus 20, it will be equals to minus 50 kilojoule per mole. Here the negative sign signifies that the heat is evolved. Okay, so your answer is minus 50 kilojoule per mole. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.